Tonight I'll question Suit Boot and we'll question Suj Booj. First question to the Congress party. Please answer the questions directly that are posed at you. Don't answer with counter questions for the other side. Rashmi Kanji, was it a Suit Boot Sarkar that turned Robert Vadra's minimum investments to skyrocketing profits?
No.
Was it a Suit Boot Sarkar when Robert Vadra's land deals were processed in breakneck speed by the Huda government?
No.
Was it a Suit Boot Sarkar that gave relaxations of norms when the Congress president's son-in-law's land deals saw several policy relaxations by the Huda government?
No.
Was it a Suit Boot Sarkar when the Exchequer lost 1.76 lakh crores and the 2G spectrum scam because your government gave away spectrum in a quid pro quo deal?
No, for the simple reason.
Is that all you've got to say no? How many more examples tonight do you need to accept that yours was also a Suit Boot ki Sarkar in the way you define it?
Yes,
please, and I hope you answer more than no tonight, Rashmikant, because I think that's the only answer you've got left.
I will answer your question, the last question, where you mentioned 1,76,000 crores. Mr. Arun Shourie, a man of great gravitas and thought, actually gave the figure at 22,000 crore rupees, and not 177. What the CAG said.
Thank God you didn't say 22,000 rupees. I thought you meant it.
No,
I must say.
So I am not defending 22,000 crore rupees at all. I am not defending what went wrong in 2G at all. But it was not a Suit Boot ki
Counters
Sarkar.
from the BJP.
Even the CAG has said that the then telecom
counters from the BJP
misled the Prime Minister.
I'll now allow counters from the BJP and then I will have questions. Now you have a choice, Sir Sudhanshu Trivedi. Do you want to counter him or do you want to take my questions on your Suj and your Booj and your Suj Booj Sarkar? Do you want to take my questions or do you want to counter him first? You have a choice. You'll take my questions. You don't want to counter him.
Yeah, you first ask the question, then I will
Thank you very much. Not very many spokespersons nowadays lose an opportunity like that. Okay. Now, Sudhanshu Trivedi, I don't know. You are calling yourself a Suj Booj ki Sarkar. Question number one. Where was the Suj Booj of your Sarkar when you junked consensus building and in a very rigid, inflexible way brought about changes to the same land bill which you supported via an ordinance?
On the issue of land bill, the question of consensus building comes when somebody is ready to accept the
No, where is where was your Suj Booj?
जो समझ रहा हूँ, yes.
सूझ बूझ तो होती है ना कोई पॉलिटिक्स में सूझ बूझ होती है कि सबको लेकर चले.
I will give you an example of what is सूझ बूझ. I will give you first I will answer your question, then I will give the example of where was the सूझ बूझ in our government. On the issue of whatever you say, if you are having clear intention, then it's okay. If Congress is having a categorical opposition of land bill from official government meetings to the floor of the House, to the public, then we would have tried. But when they are saying in the official meetings, there is problem with the bill. When they are communicating the letter of Anand Sharma, which was exposed by Arun Jaitley, that this is an anti-development bill. So your intention is different. You are saying something on the books and saying something in the world. So it becomes difficult. Now I will give one example. Let me give one example of how this government is of Suj Booj. Let me give one example of how this government is of Suj Booj. What happened in the case of Jat reservation? A delegation of Jats went to the Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. They have put up their demands and they said that we want this, we want this. Modi ji said it's okay. But then Modi ji said a counter question. Now I want something from you. Then everybody got strained. What Prime Minister wants from us? Then Modi ji said, first you give commitment that you will give whatever I am asking. I am asking something from you. They said, okay, you ask. Then Modi ji said,
Sir,
आप पहले वचन दो कि आप बेटियों की हत्या नहीं करोगे. And the entire course of discussion changed. Then finally that
counters, one counter. No, sir,
so
answer my question.
Then
you didn't
how
answer
you
my
convert
question.
the issue in a positive and constructive way?
No, you did not answer my question.
Given by our government.
By the way, to the viewers tonight, one second, to the viewers tonight, one second. One second.
He's factually wrong by what he's saying. The budget factually proves him wrong. The UPA government allowed for 660 rape crisis centers, allocating 245 crore rupees. And the BJP budget brought it down to 18 centers, less than 5%, and allocated only 18%, 18 crore rupees, less than 3%. Is that the way you're going to look after women? Those were the Nirbhaya centers. Mr. Modi probably asked them, how are you going to create more Muzaffarnagars? Please do not tell us about Suj Bhuj. We have seen your Suj Bhuj. This is and this is and
Mr.
this
on
is
the
after,
issue of the issues like
and this is
Muzaffarnagar,
after,
then I would have to say something. Our Suj Bhuj was not of that style. That for the first time in the history of India,
this
the
is
Home
after
Ministry of your government
Minister
has
for
declared
Women's
the
and
list
Child
of victims
Development
by
opposed
religion.
it.
This was
Your
Suj
Minister
Bhuj.
for Child Development.
Our government is not doing
Minister
anything
for
of
Women
this
and
sort.
Child Development
मुजफ्फरनगर में
opposed
मारे
this.
गए लोगों की सूची धर्म के आधार पे जारी की थी. This was your Suj Bhuj. So don't try to give us sermons.
Where you spread a
This
wrong
was your
video
government
which went
which has
viral.
said to have Muslim head counts in the Indian army. Was it not defended on the floor of the House, in lower house, and subsequently it was rejected
that
of
the
a stiff opposition
starting
from the Indian army?
of the Muzaffarnagar was based on a wrong video which went viral.
You see, one second.
Video in Karachi was
Interesting.
a video in Muzaffarnagar.
Interesting.
I want to put forth how the policy of the present government has
I
been
want a vote from the people
and
watching
how
this
it is
program
going to
tonight.
be
One
different
second.
from the previous
Sudhanshu
government.
Trivedi ji, Sudhanshu Trivedi ji,
a divisive policy which is
Sudhanshu
neither
Trivedi ji,
non-government
I think what I'll do here, because otherwise you'll throw charges at each other. Sudhanshu Trivedi ji, what I'm going to do is I'll ask the questions. Aarti Jairath, as of now, can tell me who do you think is winning this side of the debate, Aarti, because I'm going to throw this question to the viewers. On the one side, we are questioning the Suj Bhuj of the BJP Sarkar. On the other hand, we are questioning the suit boot of the Congress government. As of now, between these two sides, who has the upper hand in your view, Aarti? Then we take the debate forward and I'll throw more questions. Who do you think is more on the defensive tonight, Aarti?
Arnab, I think both are on the defensive, and the real winner in this is Rahul Gandhi. Surprisingly, I'm really surprised, but he seems to be the winner, because for 2 weeks now, the government has been trying to find a clever reply to his Suj Bhuj jibe, and they haven't come up with any. First they tried suitcase ki sarkar, then they tried unsuited and booted out. Now they're trying Suj Bhuj, and it's still not clever enough to to answer that jibe that Rahul fired at them. So all I know is that it's great fun for you and me as observers and journalists. We can watch the two of them fight and try to come up with cleverer and cleverer lines.
One side has to answer tonight. The Congress party, you've given them a compliment. Actually, I think that Rahul Gandhi is going to have a lot to answer tonight. I hope he gives another proper interview and then takes a few questions. My question till then, I will ask now. Second round of questioning, Sudhanshu Trivedi and Rashmi Kanji. This time I'll start once again with the Congress party. Now, Rashmi Kanji, was it a suit boot ki sarkar when Manmohan Singh, whether or not he was wearing a suit, was handing out coal blocks to non-serious players?
Except the difference is, Arnab.
So answer my question. When you were planning and executing Colgate, was it a suit boot ki sarkar?
I am answering your question on the Colgate only. The fact is that every chief minister of various states, including...
Don't hide behind that, sir. You know exactly what happened. You know what happened in the CAG report. Okay, so one question to you. Was it a suit boot ki sarkar? 1 second. The suit boot comment comes in the context. 1 second, sir.
It was not a suit boot ki sarkar at all.
So 1 second.
It was not a suit boot ki sarkar at all. The fact of the matter is that even today, this great 2 lakh crore that the BJP is tom-tomming about is going to come over 30 years, 6,000
I want to ask you, I want to ask you, provided they actually end up getting that much. Don't hide behind the facts. You know what I'm saying tonight. Basically, you're trying to say that you're a suit boot sarkar, means you're a businessman's government, right? That's what you're trying to say.
No,
so my
we are
question
not a businessman's government at all. We are a government for the poor. Let me give you.
Really, you are a government for the poor? 1 second, please. Rashmi Kanji, take my question. Take my question. Take my question. Counter is coming. Counter coming your way. Counter coming your way from Sudhanshu Trivedi.
Let me complete. Let me give
No, counter coming your way from Sudhanshu Trivedi, please. 1 second.
Was it a issue today?
Counter coming your way from Sudhanshu Trivedi. I allow that. Yeah, go ahead. Let's see who wins.
You know why the suit boot phrase came from the mouth of Rahul Gandhi? Because this suit-boot sarkar is there in vogue from the time of Jawaharlal Nehru, when their suits were going to be staged in London and even dry cleaned in London and Paris. So that's
Well,
why
the fact of the matter is, Mr. Sudhanshu
from the British colonial
Trivedi,
legacy.
no Prime Minister or
Actually,
no Minister
Nehru
of India
wore
has
Ajkans, Sudhanshu
ever been
Trivedi.
accused
Was
of
a very
wearing
Nehru
well-known
wore
man.
Ajkans, not
Just
suits
to
and
recognize
boots.
our
Leaders
childhood
should show
and
the way
one more
by their
thing.
frugality. Where is the frugality in this?
And one more thing.
Did Mr.
If
Narendra
Mr.
Modi wear
Rahul
10
Gandhi
lakh
wants to
rupees suits
become
when he
the
was the
champion
Chief
of poor,
Minister? I am
let
not
me
here
complete the
talking about
sentence,
the
Mr.
suit boot.
Rashmikant. Mr. Rashmikant, can you allow me to complete one sentence? If
No,
Rahul Gandhi
I've
wants to
asked you a
become the
question.
champion of poor, I would like to know
want to respond to that.
the number of
They were-
years which Narendra Modi has passed in the poverty.
Right
Rahul
from the
Gandhi
time
would
of
not have
Jawaharlal
seen
Nehru,
the
who
number
used to
of days
wear,
in the village.
who used to wear a
The number
sherwani
of
to
years
Mrs.
which Narendra
to
Modi
Mrs.
has
Indira Gandhi
spent
used
on
to
the
wear a
railway
simple cotton
platform.
sari. To
The number
Srimati
of
Sonia
hours
Gandhi used to
spent
wear
by
a
Rahul Gandhi on railway platform will be less.
simple cotton
So this
sari.
type of
To Mr.
rhetoric
Rajiv Gandhi used
cannot
to wear a
give
very
you a
simple
proper
clothes.
claim to
Suddenly
become
we
the
have a
champions
Prime
of
Minister.
poor.
When his
is the
wardrobe
same
comes out
strategy
after
the Congress is
Mr.
following
Sudhanshu
since 60
Trivedi,
years to
48,
hoodwink the
Mr.
poor and
Sudhanshu
backward
Trivedi,
classes of India.
48 years from 48 months from now, when the wardrobe of Mr. Narendra Modi comes out, it will be another Imelda Marcos. Do you realize that? It will all be in the public domain. The same television channels will be
If
showing
you
that.
allow me
I hope you remember the
uninterrupted,
example of
then
Imelda
I will be
Marcos.
at least giving you a respect. You, whatever you want, you first say it. Then let me complete.
No, I have said what I had to say right now. Whatever you say, I will
Sudhanshu
counter it.
Trivedi.
But the fact is, it is called a suit boot ki sarkar because it is for the corporates,
No,
of
I
the
will give you
corporates,
one
by
fact.
the corporates.
कि how Suj-Booj ki sarkar was a previous government. As per the UPA
You answer for yourself, Sudhanshu Trivedi, no. Sudhanshu Trivedi, no. Sudhanshu Trivedi, you answer for yourself. Sudhanshu Trivedi, I won't let you complete the sentence, please. I'm very sorry, I won't let you. And the reason for this is this. 1 second. No, I'm sorry. You question, he's questioning you, I'm questioning, I'm asking you. You said I'm a Suj-Booj ki sarkar. Why are you scared if I want to question your Suj and your Booj? I'm now questioning your Suj-Booj. My question to Sudhanshu Trivedi and dear viewers, you can tell us who you think is winning this debate. I'm not sure really. My question is, what was the Suj-Booj, Sudhanshu Trivedi, when you decided to snatch away land without the consent of the farmer?
Correct.
Where was your Suj-Booj?
Do you not have...
Where
faith
was
in
your
the
Suj-Booj?
patriotism
1
of
second.
Indians?
Let him answer. Where was your Suj-Booj, Sudhanshu Trivedi, when you took away the consent clause in acquiring land, making it easier for the suited and the booted to grab land from the poor?
And the landowner to be mere
Now,
laborers.
you are
there.
Answer me,
learned
sir.
journalist.
Answer me, sir. It appears
You are
you
a
don't have an
learned
answer on these basic questions tonight. It's easier for you
Do
to
you
question.
know when
It's-
this consent clause, when this draconian clause was added in the Farmers Act, Land Acquisition Act? You tell me now.
You say
When
the
it was
consent clause is a
enacted.
draconian
Oh,
clause?
so you are saying-
You're saying the consent clause is a
During
draconian
time of
clause?
Indira Gandhi.
Oh,
You're saying the consent clause is a draconian
It is
clause?
not fair that you are continuously interrupting.
I would like to
Not
say your
talking.
political advisor to Rajnath Singh, you should see Rajnath Singh's speeches in Parliament.
Chairman of the Standing Committee. Do you refer to Mrs. Sumitra Mahajan as chairing a law, conceding a law which is draconian? Are you accusing Mrs. Sumitra Mahajan of that? Tell us.
Now can I speak?
Tell the country right now.
Can I speak?
Nobody's stopping you, Sudhanshu Trivedi. It seems you don't have an answer.
Then if this is discussion on land bill, then I will concentrate on land bill.
No,
if it is on the total Suj and Booj of the government, then let me have put something
There is
which
no
I want
total
to
Suj
put up
and
for
Booj
the
of the
policies of the
government.
government.
So we are asking you piecemeal.
So I would like to say there are two aspects I will give. It is a Suj and Booj of the government. The three policies which the government has initially taken, Modi ji has for the first time taken a social cause, Swachhata Abhiyan, it was for the poor. Then Jan Dhan Yojana, it was for the
Without
poor.
a Swachh
Then
mind.
Beti Bachao for poor. So you go by a social totality in order if you want
Okay,
to
Mr.
empower
Sudhanshu
and
Trivedi,
nourish
please
the
tell us how much
poverty-stricken
money there is in the
section
Jan
a real
Dhan
way.
in the accounts of
And
the people.
second thing,
There is zero
And
paisa
second
in the
thing.
accounts of the people where the accounts you have
अरे भाई
opened.
अगर आपको
There is
ऐसे
not
ही
a
डिस्टर्ब
single
करते
paisa
रहना
there.
है, it means you are having no then shouting is the final answer, then I will also shout.
There is no paisa. There was a
In the
report
foreign
3
policy,
days
you
ago
look
where
at
a
it.
survey was
India
done
is
that
having
not a
a
single
very
paisa is
important
there. And
civilizational and
76%
cultural
of the
aspect
people
of
are
the
not
foreign
even aware of the
policy.
Jan Dhan
Because
account.
of your own vote bank politics, which was never taken into it.
How is this linked to
Our
vote
government
bank-
has taken.
vote bank
India is one of the
politics?
rare countries of the world. which
The
along
people
with
in this
the
country are
diplomacy,
saying that
along
in the
with the
villages are saying they do not
along
know
with the
what a Jan
business
Dhan account
diplomacy,
is and there is
can
no
also have
there is no
a civilizational diplomacy.
There is no dhan
which
in
Modi
it.
ji has proved by putting the yoga
Answer
as
the
international
question
yoga day.
on the consent clause.
I proved it.
Answer the question. 1 second, please, Sudhanshu Trivedi. Now, I remember.
Okay, on
You,
the consent
no, one sec,
clause,
one sec, one sec.
Arnav,
No. It's not
Arnav,
about. No, one sec, one sec. You
never
understand?
single
No,
line
you
which has
understand.
been acquired
या तो आप
consent
मुझे
clause.
बताइए.
You tell me.
नहीं, आप मुझे
Single
बताइए.
line
आप मुझे आज बताइए. आप मुझे आज बताइए,
The
please.
entire land was
आप
acquired
मुझे
by
May I ask
Congress
Sudhanshu
government.
Trivedi a question?
We have not acquired a single land.
Sudhanshu Trivedi,
I'm saying
Sudhanshu
that no
Trivedi,
government
Sudhanshu
will not
Trivedi, there are
allow
two
any
questions.
private
Intent is wrong.
party to
Sudhanshu,
acquire the
Put
land.
it in the bill. Why did you put it in the ordinance?
Sudhanshu Trivedi, there are two questions tonight, one from you and one from me and other from Aarti. My first question to you is very simple, sir. आप मुझे बस ये बताइए, क्या आप तो राजनीतिक एडवाइजर हैं राजनाथ सिंह जी के, यू आर पॉलिटिकल एडवाइजर टू राजनाथ सिंह. क्या आप कह रहे हैं कि 2013 में जब राजनाथ सिंह ने कहा कि भूमि अधिग्रहण नहीं होनी चाहिए विदाउट कंप्लीट कंसेंट, क्या आप कह रहे हैं तब राजनाथ सिंह की सूझबूझ नहीं थी? किसकी सूझबूझ नहीं थी या किसकी सूझबूझ आज चली गई है? आप मुझे जवाब दीजिए प्लीज.
Can I answer?
Yeah, nobody, I'm not stopping
Can I
you.
answer?
If you have an answer.
What happens whenever something is passed in the parliament and it is practically come
You're not answering
on
my
the
question.
ground,
मैं तो सूझबूझ
then
की
some
बात कर रहा हूँ.
problems
किसकी
are
सूझबूझ
occurred.
नहीं थी?
If by your logic there should have been no
Not my
amendments
logic,
to the
Rajnath
Constitution,
Singh's logic.
why there were amendments in the constitution?
I'm asking
and now,
you. I'm
it is
asking
not
for Rajnath
BJP.
Singh.
It is the Karnataka Chief Minister of Congress. It is the Kerala Chief Minister of Congress.
please,
It is the
please,
Uttarakhand
please,
Chief Minister
please,
of Congress.
Political advisor
And I have
to the
also
Home
quoted
Minister.
the Anand
Arnav,
Sharma's
one
letter.
second, I must
It
tell
was
you about the
Congress
Suj-Booj,
party's
the latest
leaders
Suj-Booj of a
which
few
are
days
saying
ago.
and raising
Mr.
some
Sudhanshu
problems.
Trivedi,
And something
I
we
feel
realized
tonight-
afterwards.
advisor to the
Something
Home
we realized
Minister.
afterwards.
I feel tonight.
May I ask
rural
Sudhanshu
infrastructure was not
Trivedi a
taken care of.
question?
One week ago, a directive came
the
from the Home
allocation of-
Ministry.
Arnav,
You know what the
Arnav,
directive
let's
said?
ask Sudhanshu
Arnav, this is
Trivedi a
something that will
question.
bring
All right,
to
1
your
second.
eyes.
Counter questions not being allowed at this stage, and I'd like to say it appears to me tonight that both the
There's
BJP
no
and the
question.
Congress.
I'm
One
just
second.
inform-
One
I'm
second.
just informing you of something.
No,
Rashmika-
it is not fair at all.
10
It is
day-
3 versus
Arnav,
1
10
debate and you are not allowing me to complete even
Arnav,
two
Why are you getting
sentences.
worked? Why are you
It is
getting
not fair
angry?
at all.
10 days ago, the
Trivedi, why are you
Mr.
getting angry?
Rajnikant always shouting and you are
You know
also
what?
not allowing me
You know-
even complete
you know
sentences.
what,
Trivedi, why are you getting angry?
You know what, Mr.
No, no,
Rajnath
one second, one second.
Nor on any
You
other
know
bill.
what, Mr.
Any other
Rajnath
thing.
Singh's...
Why are you getting angry? Why are you getting angry? See, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to say something to the viewers. Chandrakant, Rashmikant ji, 1 minute. Rashmikant ji or Sudhanshu Trivedi ji, please. One
This
second,
will
one
actually
second.
bring tears
I want
to
to
your eyes.
say something to the viewers.
I'll just
No,
take 30
Rashmikant ji, 1 minute. Rashmikant ji, 1
Just
minute. I'm
30
saying something to the
seconds,
viewer.
Arnab.
It's important. I'm saying something to the viewer. It's important. Now, dear viewers, if you're watching this
Arnab,
program,
I think Sudhanshu Trivedi-
Aarti, I'm coming to you. Aarti, I'm coming to you. I'm just making a simple point tonight. One second, Sudhanshu Trivedi, I'm making a simple point
very
tonight.
simple question.
You see what happens is you will question the others. Now, I think the Congress is not comfortable when I ask them whether they were about their suit-boot behavior. And the BJP is not comfortable when I question them about their suj-booj.
No,
but
we are
why
totally
shouldn't I?
comfortable because we didn't have a
No, I am
Suj-Booj
ready to
Sarkar.
answer.
Aarti
But
Cherat
all
has a
the
question
time
for
there
you.
are-
Aarti Cherat. Aarti Cherat.
We are proud of our record.
Yeah,
Aarti Cherat.
for Sudhanshu Trivedi, if you're such a Suj-Booj Sarkar, why are you finding it so difficult to get takers for your land bill? Why are you not being able to, you're delaying pushing it in Parliament? Why are you not being able to get your GST bill through? Why are your friendly parties deserting you on your GST bill? Where is the Suj-Booj here?
They
Your
only have
two main
transaction
showpieces
parties.
Na Suj hai, na Booj hai, na
neither
Suit
of them
hai.
are likely to go through Parliament.
Okay, here's one question on suit
That's-
boot. Can I go to
that's
my
suit hai,
next
na
question
boot
on
hai.
suit boot? I have a question. I have a question on suit boot now. I've asked a few questions on suit boot. Now it is the time for a question on suit boot.
I also want to
Rashmi-
ask one question for Suj Booj.
I
Which
want
you
to-
have not allowed me to answer one sentence.
Sir, how can you
One
ask
sentence
questions
I
on-
would like to ask. The UPA government has said that there are 30% people in this country living below poverty line. Okay. Then they said 2/3, yani 67% of the people need food security. You tell me, where are those 37% people who are not poor but they need food security? This type of सूझबूझ was there. And you are
No,
asking
the
questions.
fact-
I want
the
to ask
fact-
So what? No, one minute. One minute. One minute. One minute.
Poverty line
totally
is 30%.
That was
and
so
food
One minute. No, no, Aarti, don't interrupt.
There are people
Not
who need
Suj
things.
Bhuj. That was
No,
Suj Bhuj.
we are talking about Arnab. That is
That
why I
was
want 10
Suj
seconds
Bhuj.
from you for you to question Mr. Sudhanshu Trivedi on one directive of the Home Ministry where he is the advisor to the Home Minister. Do you know that 1 week ago a directive came from the Ministry of Home Affairs which said that widows of freedom fighters or widowers of freedom fighters who are 80 to 90 years old who draw a pension of 20,000 rupees a month, if they get it from a state, they will not get it from the center. The total number of people is 399 people and the total drain on the exchequer is 10 crores a year. They want to take that 10 crores a year from the spouses of the freedom fighters. And this is a government that it says that we have got a problem of plenty for the government. Please tell me, is this fair to take the 20,000 rupee pension that the Home Ministry has taken? Not only that, they have written in that thing that we have to find solution to take the money back from the pension from the people who
Okay,
got the
point is
pension.
taken.
That-
Point is taken. I'm getting a response.
Is that Suj-booj?
He's questioning your Suj-booj on that issue. Please respond, sir. And then I have a question for Suit-boot. 1 second, please.
And then they want the money back, whatever they've given over the years.
Quick response from Sudhanshu Trivedi, please. Sudhanshu, do you want to answer that? No, you're letting it pass. Okay, fine.
Yes.
You're letting it pass.
To the best
Because he
of my
doesn't have an
knowledge,
answer,
I am
because
not
there's no
having
Suj-booj
any
in it.
idea of what Mr. Rashmikant is saying. If any such order is there, I will have to know what are the backgrounds are there. Okay,
What
but if
what
they are
background
having
can
so
be
much
there?
of concern
It's
about
simple.
the
There's a
fighters
directive from the
and the
Home Ministry.
soldiers, I would like to ask, when the soldiers were beheaded on the Pakistan border, how many Congress leaders visited there? It was only
I would like
BJP
to
leaders.
ask you-
And
I would
Salman
like to
Khurshid has
ask
said
you,
that
how
Sonia
much-
Gandhi
Calm down,
got
sir.
tears in her eyes
would
for
like to
Batala
ask
House
you-
encounter,
I
not
would
for
like
those
to ask-
soldiers who
I
have
would-
lost their
don't-
lives
don't
and who were
get-
beheaded
don't
on the
get Batala House in
frontier.
this.
So don't
The
try
fact
to
of
give
the
a sermon.
matter is
On
you
this
have
issue,
disrespected-
for
you
the
have
facts should come out,
disrespected the
then it
soldiers
can be
fighting on the
answered.
borders in
Whatever you are
Kashmir
saying is
by
true or
allowing
false.
by allowing your coalition chief minister to say
Okay.
that we are grateful to the Hurriyat for allowing elections and not the Indian Armed Forces.
I allow
What are
one
you
question.
talking about?
One question.
Your deputy chief minister was there.
Mr.
He was
Rashmikant.
not a fly, he was not a fly on the wall.
Rashmikant, it was your government. When in January
your government where
2013,
Muhammad
Home
Syed
Minister
said that.
Sushil Kumar Shinde got an upload, got a
We are
pat on the
talking
back
about
from Hafiz
your
Saeed
chief minister
when he used
thanking the Hurriyat,
Hindu
the
Aathankawad
same
word.
Gilani who was holding
your Home
Pakistani
Minister
flags today.
was getting support from
The same
Hafiz
Gilani
Saeed.
who was holding
And you are
Pakistani
saying
flags
that
today.
you are teaching us a lesson.
Last question
Yes.
on this debate goes to the
When
Congress
Ghulam
Party.
Nabi Azad was
Last
Chief Minister
question
of
on this
Congress
debate.
Party, not
Last-
of National Conference
Last
and
question.
PDP,
Last
who
question.
rushed to Delhi for clemency of Afzal Guru.
Last question.
When Supreme Court has
No.
said this is rare of the rarest
Sir,
kind.
sir, 1 minute.
Is
Last
to
question.
hang Afzal
Last
Guru.
question. 10:52 p.m. Last question.
The same
Rashmikant ji, take a question. Take a question. Why don't you want to take questions, Rashmikant? You should take questions.
No, I will.
And
sure,
Saifuddin Sood, your
No, no,
JNK
yes.
chief,
Okay.
has said that
He was not the
Masrat
chief, he
Alam
was
Zaleer
Sudhanshu
was
Trivedi.
good.
Sudhanshu Trivedi, let me ask you.
Is he your leader or not? You give the answer. We were
You
saying
see,
it
the
is
problem
wrong.
is that you
Right
don't-
from our worker to the Prime
Please.
Minister. And we
We've
ensured
seen what
that
your
it
workers-
goes behind the
we've
bar
seen
within
what your
48
workers-
hours.
Last question goes on to the Congress spokesperson who has made the allegation that this is a सूट-बूट की सरकार. 1 minute. सुधांशु त्रिवेदी जरा 1 मिनट जरा धीरे चलिए. आपकी गति इतनी जल्दी जा रही है, समझ में नहीं आ रहा आप क्या कह रहे हैं. जरा मेरे को पूछने दीजिए.
अरे भाई
please.
इसलिए जा रही है ना कि आप हमको रश्मिकांत जी सेंटेंस नहीं पूरा करने
अब
दे
मैं
रहे
क्या
हैं।
कहूं,
क्योंकि
आपकी गाड़ी
उसके
इतनी
बाद
जल्दी
बहुत-
जा रही है, मुझे लग रहा है कि आपकी गाड़ी और आपकी सरकार पटरी के बाहर निकल जाएगी. 1 सेकंड
वाले
प्लीज.
हैं।
1 सेकंड
तो इसलिए आपको थोड़ी
सवाल
जल्दी
मेरा
होनी
आखिरी
चाहिए।
सवाल ये है आज न्यूज आवर पर. एंड माय क्वेश्चन इज टू रश्मिकांत जी. रश्मिकांत जी,
आप बहुत गुस्से में हैं सुधांशु जी
बहुत
आज।
गुस्से में आज. Rashmikant ji, my question to you, last question tonight, Friday evening news. The question is to the Congress spokesperson. सूट बूट तो सबसे ज्यादा आपके सरकार में, सरकार के अंदर ही नहीं थी, बाहर से सूट बूट वाले घुसकर पेट्रोलियम मिनिस्ट्री में कॉर्पोरेट एस्पियोनाज कर रहे थे, एनर्जी मिनिस्ट्री में कॉर्पोरेट एस्पियोनाज कर रहे थे, कोल मिनिस्ट्री से अंदर जाकर सूट बूट वाले फाइल निकालकर इस तरह की 10 सालों से कॉर्पोरेट एस्पियोनाज कर रहे थे। तो माय लास्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू रश्मिकांत जी, एंड डोंट अवॉइड इट, इफ दिस गवर्नमेंट इज अ सूट बूट की सरकार, how did the suits and the boots and the suited and the booted enter the petroleum, energy and coal ministry, carrying out corporate espionage, something the BJP acted against but which you happily allowed?
Arnab, I'm afraid I'll have to answer.
You don't have to be afraid, but you can answer. No, one second. You don't have to be afraid, but you can answer.
How would a cabinet minister that you would know about in the Atal Bihari Vajpayee government during cabinet meetings go to the bathroom every time there was talk about the about the telecom policy?
Name the person.
You know who I'm referring to.
I don't.
Yes, I think you do.
I don't.
You're a very well-informed journalist.
Hypothetical answer, and I will ask. In the decade of 1980s, who had built up these emperors? These industries have become billionaires under whose regime?
We have not done it.
Favor by Congress government.
We have done no favor to anybody. We have been
during the Inspector Raj.
And then to 1950.
We have not done any favor to anyone, and neither have we been vindictive towards anyone. We are not a vindictive government. We were not a vindictive government, and we did not do favors to anyone.
What about 1970s?
What about 1970s? Are you talking about the emergency? What are you talking about?
Just 2 years back, in the Radia
declared
case,
emergency.
two industries said that...
No, you declared emergency.
Yes, we think it was the wrong thing to do at that point of time. It was wrong judgment.
नहीं, एक बात बताइए.
Aarti ji, I do agree with all due respect to you.
नहीं, you please explain to me. The suits and the boots. Quattarocchi is a great example of the suit boot. One second. Do you accept? Do you accept? Do you accept the Quattarocchi culture was allowed to run within your government in all ministries, whether it is defense, petroleum, energy, and coal? And is Quattarocchi, Ottavio Quattarocchi, a great example of the suit boot culture infiltrating the government in Delhi? Please answer the question.
Absolutely not. There are several.
No. Really, what do you think? Quattarocchi was a social worker.
No, we don't think he was a social worker.
Then what was he?
He was a businessman who was working in India.
Businessman, I call him, businessman, now I got. That's fantastic, Aarti Jaira.
Business.
No,
like
that's the comment of the day today. Quattarocchi was a respectable businessman.
Mr. Narendra Modi is going all over the world to woo several of them.
And the oil coupons were given to the Congress party. Indian National Congress got oil coupons as a kickback from Iraq.
Congress did not get it. The minister who got it, he got booted out. The minister who got it, he got booted out. It was the Congress which had the moral courage. Do you have the moral courage to take out a rapist from your government? Do you have that? An alleged rapist? The Prime Minister did not even meet the woman in Delhi who came to meet him. Yet he meets the minister who is alleged of rape, who is alleged to have been part of a gang rape. And this woman came and stayed here for 1 month and she could not meet the Prime Minister. What moral authority are you talking about? You are an immoral, unethical government without any
moral authority. There are so many questions. Just last month the fact came that your Prime Minister after independence, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, on the issue of Subhash Chandra Bose, has reported to the British intelligence. This was your moral authority for India.
आप बुझी
It is a shame on Congress party. They have not able to categorically said that this was not done. You were reporting to the foreign intelligence agencies.
The light
this
and
is
the
on
flame
record.
that you came with is going down very fast. The country is entering into this era of darkness. Thank God for the fact that
why your leadership is not coming up with facts and saying that nothing of this sort has happened, but nobody came from your first family, not from your party leadership, because you know what has happened actually.
Do you want me to give you fact about Mr. Narendra Modi's...
1 second, please. Now the question is this, please. One second.
Mr. Narendra, do you know that 10% of Gujarat's population depends upon cotton?
Arnab, the pot is calling the kettle black.
Mr. Narendra Modi promised 1,500 rupees per yale.
I don't know, but I know Rashmikanth ji, I know one thing. I know that, I don't know. One question to you. Please allow me. I'm extending this debate by 5 minutes. By the way, dear viewers, it's a suit boot Sarkar versus a Sooj Booj Sarkar debate. Friday evening news hour. I hope I have the permission on both sides to extend it by 5 minutes. That goes to the viewers as well. My next question goes to the Congress party again, and then I have one question for the BJP. Sir, tell me, my information is that compensation checks of 2 minutes, extending the debate by 5 minutes tonight. compensation checks of 2 minutes were paid.
Of 2 minutes?
Two rupees. I'm sorry, losing sense of time. The compensation checks of 2 rupees were paid by Congress governments in Haryana. Now tell me, was it a suit boot ki sarkar in Haryana which gave 1 second? Allow me to complete. Allow me to complete.
Yep.
Allow me to complete. Rahul Gandhi never took a train, general class, when compensation checks of 2 rupees were given by the Haryana government to farmers. जब किसानों को 2 रुपए के compensation checks दे रहे थे, तो आप उस सरकार को क्या कहेंगे? जो एक किसान को 2 रुपए compensation checks देते हैं, क्या वो सूट बूट की सरकार है कि सूझबूझ की सरकार है? जवाब दीजिए.
2 rupees given.
2 rupees, 3 rupees and 4 rupees were given. I have my facts.
3 rupees or 4 rupees, when was it given?
You want me to tell you? Okay.
The happiest farmer today in the country was that during the Congress.
Oh,
regime in Haryana.
please. You know what happened? The farmers refused to deposit the
got
checks.
10 times
The
the value of their land.
farmers
The
refused.
farmers in Haryana
The farmers in Haryana said, ये बहुत बड़ा insult है. ये 2 रुपए के चेक को हम डिपॉजिट भी नहीं करेंगे. मुझे जवाब दीजिए प्लीज. वो सूट बूट की सरकार थी या सूझबूझ की सरकार थी जो 2 रुपए के compensation checks दे रही थी? जवाब दीजिए. आपके पास जवाब नहीं.
The happiest farmers were there in Haryana.
Don't tell me about happy farmers. Why did you give it?
Yes, and let me quote you an example.
Sir, I'm asking you 2 रुपए के चेक्स क्यों दे रहे थे आपकी
कोई 2
सरकार?
रुपए के चेक्स नहीं दिए थे.
दिए थे आपके चेक्स ने. आप मैं कह रहा हूं आपको दिए थे आपके चेक्स ने. दिए थे आपके चेक्स. 2 रुपए 3 रुपए और 4 रुपए के चेक्स दिए थे. सबको पता है.
2 रुपए ना 3 रुपए ना 4 रुपए
दिए थे. और आपको मैं कहूं एक्सिस बैंक का चेक था issued to a farmer. नाम बता देता हूं. सत्यनारायण हरि सिंह son. Check of 3 rupees was given to another farmer, Tek Chand, son of Bhim Singh, as compensation for crops. I'm reading a news report. Damage due to waterlogging. The farmers said these are insults. We will not put the money. Answer my question.
By that yardstick,
Answer my question.
thousands of such checks should have been issued.
Answer the question. Was it a suit boot ki sarkar or सूझबूझ की सरकार?
No, it wasn't, because what you are saying is wrong.
What is wrong?
If it was true, then
It doesn't suit you,
thousands
so
of
it's
such checks
wrong.
would have been
It
given.
doesn't suit you, so it's wrong. Suit you?
No, it's because I have seen Haryana progress.
What have you seen?
I've seen
Oh,
every
please.
part of Haryana progress.
Really, I'm sure Robert Vadra progressed
I've
in Haryana.
actually seen people drive in from a tractor into an Audi workshop and come out with an
Did
Audi.
you see Robert Vadra?
No,
or a
I did
farmer?
not.
Was it
Mr. I
Robert
did
Vadra?
not. And Mr. Robert Vadra, please do not bring Mr.
Why
Robert
should I
Vadra
not bring him in?
Mr. Robert Vadra is very capable of answering for himself.
Why? You don't want to answer him? Now he becomes a private
No, I
citizen
can
for you.
certainly answer for him, but there was no favor given by the Congress government to Mr.
Oh,
Robert
please,
Vadra.
we all
Not a
know. We
single
all
inch
know
of
the
land.
number of favors which were
Not
given
a
at that
single
point of
inch
time. We
land
know
was
that.
given to him.
Why? Was it a suit boot ki sarkar then? I have one question. Do you want to ask a counter question? Is it? No, I'll only ask you a question. Sudhanshu Trivedi, counter questions.
I want to ask one question. Just one question. Now, those who are capable.
And I also want to ask you a question.
Holiday abroad.
I also want to
Relax,
ask you a
one second,
question.
sir. One second.
Affluent, elite, and suited, booted, or of the farmers. Everybody in India can have answer. 2 महीने विदेश में गुजार के आने के वाले लोग सूटेड बूटेड कैटेगरी में आते हैं कि वो गमछा बांधने वाली कैटेगरी में आते हैं?
नहीं, 2 महीने रहे चाहे 6 महीने रहे, गांधी जी कितनी देर बाहर रहे? सूट बूट नहीं पहनते थे वहां.
देखिए, राहुल गांधी जी गए थे बाहर ज्ञान प्राप्त करने.
नहीं पहनते
अरे
थे.
हजारों सालों से लोग ज्ञान प्राप्त करने भारत आते हैं.
You might allow Nathuram Godse's statues to be put in India,
but Rahul
but Gandhi was not like that. He spent many years there.
Concept of Congress.
So please understand.
Question tonight.
The country.
Question
राहुल
tonight.
गांधी ने तो खेत में खड़े होकर उतने घंटे नहीं गुजारे होंगे जितने हमारे नेताओं ने जिंदगी
आखिरी सवाल बीजेपी को.
जितने बरस गुजारे हमारे नेताओं.
बीजेपी doesn't want to take
हमें
questions.
मालूम है कितना गुजारे हैं.
BJP take questions.
How much RSS took part in the freedom struggle? We know about
Whatever,
it.
BJP take question. Last question on the news hour tonight. Who's won the debate? My question at this stage is to the viewer tonight.
Farmer leader in the Congress.
Viewer tonight. Hashtag is Jive
And the
Wars.
biggest champion of Congress is Rahul Gandhi, who usually enjoys to go abroad more than 3 or 4 months in a year.
You are trying to spread the usual disinformation.
One second, Sudhanshu Trivedi, you gave yourself the
Mr.
certificate.
Rahul Gandhi is a very simple man with high thinking.
I'm sure.
which is very, very difficult for BJP to adjust to.
I'm sure. Okay, 1 second, please. Now, one
No,
second.
I know that he's a very simple man with high thinking. He went
Yes,
to the house of
well,
Kalavati
I
to understand the
I
poverty,
suggest you
and
put
his
a full stop
understanding
there.
gave a
I
decision
suggest
to the
you put a full
government
stop
that
there.
26 rupees per day is the line of poverty in the rural India. This was
He
the
never
type of
said that.
understanding which he
He
got
never
with
said
the
that.
simple living.
Mr. Rahul Gandhi did not say that.
1 second, to the Sujh-Booj
Your
Sarkar.
government has done that.
Can I ask a question
No,
to the
the
Sujh-Booj
Congress did not.
Sarkar?
Or in all
There
of the
was a
government
particular
who
congressman
was
who said
capable
that
of
and
even
apologized
saying
for
that
next
I
day.
can tear apart
The
any
very-
ordinance.
In the same manner that your Yogi Adityanath says one thing and apologizes the next day, every single day.
Can I ask a question to the Sujh-Booj Sarkar से सवाल
There
कर
is
सकता
no
हूं मैं?
Sujh-Booj
That
in this
was that
government.
issue.
Sujh-Booj means
Your Prime Minister.
1 second, last question is to the BJP, please, gentlemen, please. Sudhanshu Trivedi ji, Sudhanshu Trivedi ji, Sudhanshu Trivedi ji, अगर आप सूट बूट के सरकार नहीं है,
Both without Sujh-Booj.
no, if Sudhanshu Trivedi is not a suit boot sarkar,
I
I want
think
to
that's
ask
unfair,
you, आम आदमी आपसे सिर्फ एक सवाल पूछ रहा है, आम
You are
आदमी
just
आम
trying to be
आदमी
fair.
1 second सुनिए, आम आदमी पूछ रहा है, आम आदमी पार्टी नहीं, आम आदमी पार्टी आपसे पूछ रही है, आखिरी सवाल आज लग रहा है मुझे थोड़ा सा आप लड़खड़ा गए हैं इस डिबेट पर, कोई बात नहीं, शायद आपको इस पर इसके बाद आप सोचेंगे इस बात पर, अगर आपकी सूट बूट की सरकार नहीं है, then please tell me, why did you not change income tax? यानी कि लोगों की टैक्स तो रेट्स तो आपने कम नहीं किए, बट यू स्लैश्ड कॉर्पोरेट रेट टैक्स. हु आर द बेनिफिशियरीज ऑफ द स्लैश इन द कॉर्पोरेट रेट टैक्स? द सूटेड एंड द बूटेड. यानी कि सूट बूट वालों के टैक्सेस आपने कम कर दिए और आम आदमी के टैक्सेस वहीं के वहीं रहे. अगर ये सूट बूट की सरकार नहीं है तो क्या है? सुधांशु त्रिवेदी जी देखिए, काउंटर क्वेश्चन मत कीजिए, आपने जो किया है उसका अभी मैंने उसका डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया. आप जरा मुझे बताइए, आप प्लीज आंसर द स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन एंड आफ्टर दैट क्लोजिंग.
In the corporate tax, it was officially 30%.
Yes.
But with the multiple complicated layers,
What?
the practical effective
What?
effective realization
It was brought down from 30% to 25%.
अभी brought
आम
down
आदमी
from
को बताइए,
30% to
आम आदमी के
25%.
इनकम टैक्स कम हुए
मैं
नहीं
बता
हुए,
रहा हूं.
सर्विस टैक्स कम हुए नहीं हुए, आम आदमी की का खर्चा
बड़े.
कम हुआ नहीं हुआ, सिर्फ कॉर्पोरेट
सर्विस
टैक्सेस
टैक्स
कम
बढ़ा.
हुए. प्लीज आंसर द क्वेश्चन. सूट बूट वालों को तो आपने बहुत खुश कर दिया, तो फिर अभी लोग कह रहे हैं कि आप सूट बूट की सरकार है, आपको गुस्सा क्यों आता है? I'm telling you the facts.
Now, can I answer?
No, did you increase?
The corporate tax was 30%, which was brought down to 25%.
So tell me,
It
did
was
you bring down
30%
income tax rates?
technically.
Did you
But
bring down
with
income
the
tax
multiple
rates?
complicated layers,
आप अगर income tax rates कम कर सकते
realization was 22 to 30%.
Why are you helping
And moreover,
corporates? वही
when
तो
it
बात
comes
कह
to
रहे हैं.
business,
वही
in
तो पूछ रहे हैं लोग. Why are you helping
Southeast
corporates?
Asian region, it
Why?
is 21 to 22%.
Why are you helping corporates
And as
and not
far
the
as
आम आदमी?
the common man is concerned,
No, you know my question.
definitely
नहीं,
we
सूट
have
बूट
brought down the savings rate.
No,
and the indirect
no,
benefits.
EMIs
And
have
the
not
coming
come
year,
down, please.
I am saying with full responsibility.
I don't
that
know
a
about
direct
responsibility,
benefit
but
to
you're
the common
factually
man will be
incorrect.
visible in the coming years as soon as
Coming
we will be
years?
able to come out of 4.8% deficit of the GDP.
Oh, please,
which the
now
previous
you're hiding
government
behind
had,
other facts.
Which was technical. Practically it was almost 6%
Wrapping
of
up.
the GDP.
Wrapping it up, please. I don't take that answer, please. Answer the question. As part of the budget proposals, corporate tax went down
That's
from...
why farmers in distress are not getting compensation.
Arnab, can I
Okay,
give
closing
an
this
example of that?
Closing
Can I
now.
give
Why
you-
have
is
lowered
there a
down
Can I
delay?
give you a living?
The
can I
limit
give
of-
you a
closing.
living-
I'm closing.
Why is
Limit
there a
from 50%.
delay?
I'm closing now.
Farmers
Can I give you a
committing
living
suicide.
example?
I'm closing now.
Farmer they are.
Let the viewer decide who's won the debate.
For their crop
They want to
losses.
kill the farmer in India.
And we have changed the
You are wanting
compensation
to kill the
1.5
farmer
times.
in India.
These are the three facts. You first
The fact
Go ahead
is,
and confirm
I
the
will give
facts,
you an
then ask the
example of
question.
Saurashtra and you will not have an answer. You will not have a face to show. How
Don't
you
get
have killed the
personal.
farmer
Don't
in
get
Saurashtra.
personal.
When I say you, I mean your government.
what happens? When Rahul
will tell
Gandhi
you.
went to Vidarbha,
I
he said
will
for the
tell
first
you,
time
I
I
will tell you,
realized
Mr.
this. And
Sudhanshu
during his
Trivedi,
entire government,
since your knowledge
twice the
seems-
package
since your
was given to
knowledge seems
Vidarbha.
be
He was
rather
not
limited.
realizing at the time.
Mr. Narendra Modi, as the Chief Minister of Gujarat, promised 1,500 rupees as MSP to the cotton yield farmer in Gujarat, in Saurashtra, which constitutes 10%, just the cotton yield farmer of Gujarat. 1,500 rupees as MSP. The moment he went out, it came down, the government offered 1,100 rupees, not even the cost. And today it is being sold for 700 rupees. You know why?
Mr. Rashmikant,
because
can you
I will
name
tell
3
why.
states which
I
are
will
having,
tell you why.
as far as
I
farmers
will
are
tell you why.
considered,
No,
which
no,
is
let
having
me
a
complete.
consistent
Then you
more
can
than
give your
10%
answer.
agriculture growth rate when
let
the
me
entire country
give
was
you the
having less
answer
than
for that.
3%?
Because you want
It was
people
Gujarat,
to
Madhya
think
Pradesh
that
and
farming is an
Chhattisgarh.
unviable proposition
For
and sell
farmers
the
and
land.
poor are concerned,
You want to steal
the
the
first
farmers'
state to
land.
provide food security was Chhattisgarh.
What food security
In
are
the
you talking
irrigation
about?
for farmers, the biggest
You have not given a
contribution
thing.
was given
Today
by
the farmer is on the
Gujarat
road.
and
Go
Madhya
to
Pradesh. This was
Saurashtra.
the record of your
10%
UPA government.
there.
Gentlemen,
10% of the population of Gujarat.
Gentlemen,
And today, the
I've asked
biggest
8 questions
contributor
on
to
both
the
sides.
India's national food.
I've asked 8 questions on both sides. I like it.
Please answer. Why was the farmer suicide rate so high in Maharashtra when your party was in power?
Okay, 1 second. Both sides have not answered my questions.
you
I
are
asked
trying
8
to
questions
answer
to both
every
sides.
question
Don't go
I asked 8
Gujarat.
questions to
Answer
both
about
sides.
Maharashtra.
Who won the debate?
Answered
And a lot
every
of
question.
corruption.
Who won the debate? The viewers can tell us. I thank you all for joining me on debate number 3 on the Friday evening edition of the News Hour Tonight. Thank you.
Arnab,
Thank
you did. Arnab, you won the debate.
No, I'm not sure about
Arnab, you
that.
won the
I'll let
debate.
the viewer decide. Thank you very much. Thank you.